Dear students, let us learn something about lines and angles. In this video, I want to recall you some points about lines and angles. So, straight line. A straight line has no endpoints, so it can be extended or produced in both the directions infinitely, and it has no fixed length. Then a ray. Ray is a part of a line with one endpoint, and it has also no fixed length, and it can be extended in one direction only. Then line segment. Line segment is part of a line with two endpoints and it has a fixed length. Then what are collinear points? So if three or more points lie on the same line, they are called collinear points. Otherwise, they are called non-collinear points. Here in this figure, in first figure A, B, C are collinear points, and in the second figure P1, P2, P3, P4 are collinear points. Then come to angle. What is an angle? An angle is formed when two rays originate from the same point. The rays making an angle are called arms of the angle, and the end point is called the vertex of the angle. You have studied different types of angles such as acute angle. The measure of the angle which is greater than 0 degree but less than 90 degree is known as acute angle. For example, an angle measuring 30 degree, 45 degree are acute angles. Then obtuse angle. The measure of angle which is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree are known as obtuse angle. For example, the measures of angle like 110 degree, 150 degree like this. Then come to right angle. The measure of angle which is equal to 90 degree, that is known as right angle. Then straight angle. The measure of angle is equal to 180 degree in case of straight angle. The angle in a straight line is known as straight angle. Then what is reflex angle? The measure of angle which is greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree is known as reflex angle. For example, 270 degree, 300 degree are the measures known as reflex angle. Then what do you mean by adjacent angle? Two angles are adjacent if they have a common vertex, a common arm, and their non-common arms are on different sides of the common arm. Here in the figure, BD is the common arm and B is the common vertex. ABD and DBC are the adjacent angles. Then, what is linear pair of angles? Here in this figure, OA and OB are the non-common arms forming a line, and the angle AOC and angle BOC are known as linear pair of angles, and their sum is 180 degree. Then intersecting lines. If two lines having a common point, they are known as intersecting lines. When two lines intersect each other at a point, then a pair of vertically opposite angles are formed, and the vertically opposite angles are equal in measure. Then what do you mean by parallel lines? Two lines which never intersect each other, or if the distance between two lines is always constant, then they are known as parallel lines.